Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday afternoon, February 21st. We are looking at Window Traders' market profile of the ES and SPY. First, I want to apologize in advance if you could hear that noise behind me. Somebody is power washing their house. It's 80 degrees and sunny here in South Carolina. Why they're power washing now, I don't know. Pollen season is still about 2 weeks to a month away. So that's a waste of time and money. Anyway. Good day today overall. Today, though, turned out, after good tempo and volume in A and B, it turned into more of a trend day up type of grind on the downside. Now, I can tell you one thing. This market told you to basically be short the entire day, which is basically what I did. I had a really good day. Off the majority from the short side. Actually took a small long here or there to fill single prints and C period. The only loss I had in the day was L period when I thought we would go up and fill H's singles, which I ended up losing 10 ticks on. That's it on a one lot. Other than that, I did very well. The bulk of my trading and the money I made was in A and B. So A, B, and C initially, I shorted 11 lots of ES and did very well on them. And then after that, everything else became one lots throughout the day because the tempo and volume just wasn't there. Yes, we did alleviate some short pressure in G and H, some in KL and M, but nothing of any significance. Now, we didn't hold the gap, but we do hold the double distribution day. Now, one thing, let me go to the other ones. I want to tell you something that I thought was interesting. NQ does price probe. They go out with a double distribution day with one set of single prints in D. NQ. I don't know if they probed. I'm in fives. I'm not sure if they took out J's low. They go out 7 wide in a double distribution day. Now, they're all B shapes for long liquidation. Basically, they're putting, remember, they both have inside weeks down now in both NQ and righty. We came out of our balance to the downside. We did not have an inside week. Now, since it's only Tuesday, I'm going to still call the weekly balance for now to see how much more we attempt to stretch it. ES definitely stretched theirs pretty good. So I want to see how we go tomorrow and the rest of the week with the Fed minutes and PCE on Friday, whether we're still in balance or I do call the weekly firmly down. So what was interesting today? Well, at the 10 and a quarter level in ES and in SPY at around the 399 level, there was a tremendous amount of absorption going on. Now, again, I'll never know if that's long-term money buying it, but somebody was doing a lot of absorbing here. So it's going to be interesting to see if we get continuation tomorrow, or did we just take 3 weeks of longs and kind of flush them out and whoever tried to short this. Now, we did close near the lows, so the sellers are definitely, they won the day hands down 2%, having a trend day, overnight low, IB low. Believe me, the sellers won. However, we had an attempt at 4 or 5 sets of single prints and only held one, and there was a lot of absorbing going on here. So I'm going to be interested to see how that holds. Okay, we do close, I think, below, 4,000 on the SPX. We never got to 4,000 in the ES. We got to 02. I'm not going to go over all my trades because, like I said, every push up was an opportunity short today, which is basically what I did with a scattered long here or there, just at a very visual point. As far as destinations go, for the upside, we have our afternoon rally high of G and H at 400.97. Then our single prints at 401.07 and get filled at 26, only 19 cents. And then today's high of 404.16. And don't forget that 10 wide from February 17th at 405.31 is now an upside destination. For the downside, SPY has today's low of 398.82. Now, SPY did not get even close to those single prints from January 25th. ES filled theirs. So SPY has single prints 398.81, 398.41, get filled at 397.73, and then a weekly low of 393.56. For ES, they have 02 as today's low, 63 and a quarter, which is a weekly low, and then single prints from January 20th of 61.50 and getting filled at 54 and a quarter. For the upside in ES, they have Give me a second. I got to get to them. The sheets. 24 is the afternoon rally high, G and H. Single prints, 25.50 to 27. And then today's high of 56 and a quarter. And then I'm using 68.50, 10 wide from the 17th, which is an upside. And 82 and a quarter was 15 wide from today's overnight low. And then, just quickly on the charts. Remember, tomorrow's Fed minutes at 2 p.m. Now, the weekly is still up. Yeah, we're firmly back inside of here, but we're up. But that's not going to change yet. We took out the weekly, weekly balance by $8. The weekly is still up, but the inside month up so far is failing now. Weekly, again, this is SPY. We stretched our balance low by $1, about $1.50. For now, I'm going to call the weekly still balanced. I'm not going to call it down just yet. If we make a new low tomorrow, the weekly will be firmly down. But I want to see how tomorrow shakes out. But for now, we'll call it balanced. And the daily is firmly down. Okay? We're below the 20 now by a lot. And the 50 comes into play at 396.72. So for sure, the daily is firmly down on the daily. One time framing down 3 days out of an inside day. Had a bunch of new people sign up again last night and this morning. This room for $30 gives you tremendous value. Come check us out at camelbacktrading.org. Thanks for the likes and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.